more than 20 years, HUIHUA Electronics CO Ltd, which has grown up together with customers, is specialized in the production, research and development, and manufacturing of cable ties and wire connectors, etc. Wiring accessories. The company is located in Yueqing Economic Development Zone, Wenzhou City, Zhejiang Province, China, covering an area of 13,333 square meters and has more than 200 employees. In 2019, the company has won the National High-Tech Enterprise certification, and its products have been approved by UL, CE, ROHS, ROHS, etc. international certifications. HUIHUA Electronic CO Ltd, to build a learning team, customized training plan, comprehensive cultivating employees' comprehensive quality, and continuously forge ahead and improve themselves. HUIHUA made professional quality. We always, as a concept, has experienced more than 20 years development. Now is the development of the China industry at great scale, production, sales and technical service, and the integration of high-tech enterprises. We especially set up the R&D center, devoted to the mode development and the design of all products, and also specially designs and develops for the customer the special request product, deeply obtains the customer the trust and the support. HUIHUA have testing center according to the CNAS standard of National Laboratory, which has reached the industry-leading level with whole process product testing and reliability testing. It is also in the industry take the lead in setting up ROHS 2.0 test. With complete experiments and quality control, it always provides customers with more professional products. From precision mode development, the high-quality raw materials, injection centralized feeding system, strict quality control, every process is excellent. Perfect production process, advanced automation equipment, precision to every link of production. Strictly control the quality of the product source, define management, continuously improve product quality, and reach industry-leading level. Our products' cable ties, wire connectors, wire clips, and other wiring accessories are supplied to home appliance industry, communication industry, electronics industry, automobile industry, wind power industry, etc. areas. It has passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, IATF 16949 Management System Certification, and won the trust and the support of customers all over the world, and exports more than 50 countries in the internationalization, diversification, professional development on the road of steady progress. Professional HUIHUA will be your honest business partner. HUIHUA made professional quality.